हिम के आंचल में बसा प्रदेश, दिखा लोगों में ना छल ना द्वेष, चारों तरफ से प्रकृति का साया, वाह प्रभु क्या अद्भुत बनाया, वाह प्रभु क्या अद्भुत बनाया। Good morning, Nodal officers, ANOs, CTOs, and dear cadets. My name is Cadet Ria Rana from 4HP Independent Company, NCC Hamirpur, Group Headquarters, Shimla, Directorate of Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, and Chandigarh. Today, I am going to deliver the presentation on religious and tourist places of Himachal Pradesh. As it is clear from its name, Devbhoomi Himachal means land of gods. Himachal Pradesh, a northern Indian state in the Himalayas, is known for its trekking, rituals, and great culture history. Land of snow-fed meadows, singing streams, has more than 2,000 temples, with almost every village having at least one temple besides community devta. Now, talking about religious features. Religious places in Himachal Pradesh believed to be the resting place of Lord Shiva as well as the beginning of some India's holiest rivers. Not only will find many Hindu temples across the valleys of HP, it is also the state that houses Dharamshala, the site of the Tibetan government in exile and the holy residence of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Kinnaur and Manikaran are regular sites of pilgrimage for Hindus, while Spiti Valley is lined with the Tibetan settlements. Manikaran Sahib, hot springs of Himachal, located in the Parvati Valley along the banks of river Parvati in the Kullu district of HP. Manikaran is known as an important religious place in Himachal Pradesh for Sikhs and Hindus. Hindu scriptures highlights how Manu, the first human on earth, created life and saved this place from flood, and the Sikh religious beliefs surrounding the place have the same richness as their Hindu counterparts. Now, Malana people. Malana is one of the oldest village in Indian history. Here, no outsider is allowed to touch any temple or any localite, or if case they do, so they have to pay fine for this. It is said that people of Malana are the descendants of Alexander the Great, and as for sculpture in Malana, Rishi Jamdagini is worshipped by the locals. In the village, every rule, regulations and decisions are made by Devta. Now, Kullu Dashera is the renowned international mega Dashera festival observed in the month of October in Himachal Pradesh state, wherein more than 4 to 5 lakh people visit the fair from all across the globe. It is celebrated in the Dhalpur Maidan in the Kullu Valley. Dashera at Kullu commences on the 10th day of rising moon, that is Vijay Dashmi day itself, and continues for 7 days. Its history dates back to 17th century when local king Jagat Singh installed an idol of Raghunath on his throne as a mark of penitence. Next is Jwalaji. The famous Jwalaji temple in Kangra is dedicated to goddess Jwalamukhi, the one with a flaming mouth, having a lot of spiritual significance among the believers. This temple is believed to be the home of 9 permanent flames after the goddess Mahakali, Annapurna, Chandi, Hingalaj, Vindhyavasini, Mahalakshmi, Saraswati, Ambika, Anji Devi. As far as the interiors and the sanctum sanctorum of Kangra, Jwalaji people is concerned with the goddess bedchamber across the courtyard, while above the temple lies the shrine of Baba Gorakhnath. Now, the Laspiti district. In the district of Laspiti and Kinnaur, there is a strong impact of Buddhism. That is why most of the Buddhist sculptures are found in the monasteries of Lahaul Spiti. First is Rivalsa Monastery, perhaps the most sacred spot for Buddhists in the Rivalsa is 20 kilometers southwest of Mandi. According to the legend, Guru Padmasambhava departed for Tibet from his beautiful spot to spread the Dharma. Then is Kemur Monastery. The beautiful sculpture of Marichi Vajravahi belongs to the 11th to 12th century, located in the Lahaul. It is the Kashmiri style monastery, Nako Monastery. The legendary footprints of Guru Padmasambhava are enshrined at the Lobstage Monastery at Nako. This high altitude village in Kinnaur is located near a limpid lake. Now Manali is a beautiful hill station in Kullu district in the state of Himachal Pradesh. It has an average altitude of 6,427 feet above mean sea level. Places to visit in and around Manali are Hidimba Temple is located just 2 km away from Manali Hill Station. It was built in 1533 AD to the respect of Hidimbi Devi, who was a character in Hindu mythology Mahabharata. There are many other places like Vashishta Temple, Van Bihar, a forestry park. Solang Valley is on the top of the Kullu Valley, Rohtang Pass and the clubhouse. Next is Dalhousie, is a high altitude town spread across 5 hills near the Dhuladhar mountain range in the North Indian state of Himachal. It's home to colonial era building St. Francis, St. John's churches which date back to the rule of British Raj in 1800s. Chamba. The Minjar Fair is an important occasion in the lives of people of Chamba, and it is celebrated with a great zeal and enthusiasm. According to the Indian history, when the Raja of Chamba was coming back to Chamba after defeating the king of Trigarta, now known as Kangra, in year 935 AD, the people who greeted him with the bundles of paddy and maize. This was the first time the Minjar Mela was held and celebrated. Shimla is the capital and the largest city of Himachal Pradesh, popularly known as Queen of Hills. It derives its name from Hindu goddess Shamla Devi, an incarnation of goddess Kali. Christ Church in Shimla. You'll find a number of churches in Shimla which were established by British. The first Catholic church of Shimla, St. Michael's Cathedral, was built in 1850. The Christ Church is structurally very big and its wall is painted with several beautiful paintings. Scandal Point is a museum where you'll find a good collection of statues, miniature, coins and photos. The Mall Road. The road was built by the British during the colonial rule of India. The Mall Road is placed in Shimla with a length of 5 km. It is the main commercial area of Shimla. Other places to visit are Naldera, Summer Hills, Visrical Lodge, Katu Peak, Mashobra, Kufri, etc. Now, talking about Bir Billing, the paragliding capital of India. Bir Billing is located in the west of Joginder Nagar Valley in the state of Himachal Pradesh in northern India, mostly referred as paragliding capital of India. Now, talking about Dharamshala. It is the winter capital of Himachal Pradesh. Dharamshala is a city in the Indian state of HP surrounded by cedar forest on the edge of Himalayas. Now Spiti Valley. Spiti Valley, pronounced as Piti in Bodhi language, is a cold desert mountain valley located high in the Himalayas in the northern Indian state of HP. The name Spiti means the middle land. that is the land between Tibet and India. Spiti Valley is a research and cultural center for Buddhist Kai Monastery and Tabo Monastery, one of the oldest monasteries in the world and a favorite of the Dalai Lama. The last one is Chitkul village. It is the last village of India, famously known as the last inhabited village of Indo-Tibet border. Chitkul village is blessed with a crystal clear and babbling water of river Vaspa. The river is a popular site of trekking and water sports. Chitkul has the cleanest air in India. Chitkul village of particular interest at Chitkul are its houses with either slate or wooden plank roofs, a Buddhist temple and a small town. Chitkul is the start point for Lamkhaga Pass trek and Burasu Pass trek. The valley is extremely beautiful on the left bank of Vaspa river. So, at last I just want to say that if you like anything about Himachal Pradesh, you must visit here once and enjoy the cultural heritage and beauty of nature and Himalayas. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.